In this tutorial video, we will be learning on Deutsch-Jozsa algorithm. Deutsch-Jozsa algorithm overview. It describes the Deutsch-Jozsa algorithm, which is a generalization of the Deutsch algorithm. The Deutsch-Jozsa algorithm assumes that this f input is 2 to the power of n from 0, 0 to 1, 1, and one of the following conditions is true. First, f of x is the same for all inputs. F of x equals 0 for all x, or f of x equals 1 for all x. Second, f of x is different in half of the inputs. 2 to the power n minus 1 and x is f of x equals 0, the remaining x is f of x equals 1. This algorithm determines whether oracle is 1 or 2 above. Consider a concrete circuit. It is assumed that n zeros are lined up. Let's check each status. Looking at the nth bit, we can see that swapping zeros and ones changes the overall sign. Next, consider psi 2. Since f of x is on the nth bit, it will be, if you divide the sigma by f of x equals 0, 1 for each term. You can see that the bits have changed when f of x equals 1. Summary, therefore, when it is 1, either the sigma of f equals 0, 1 disappears. Also, when it is 2, sigma remains in both cases, so no further calculation is possible. From the above, psi 3 is unless the top n bits of psi 2 are h0 greater than h0 greater than, the top n bits of psi 3 cannot be 0, 0, so you can see that psi 3 is multiplied as above. Since plus minus is irrelevant to the measurement, it can be seen that when the bits up to the n-1 are measured, oracle is determined by all zeros or other. Thank you for watching this video.